is the senior vice president with J.S. Held, and he has there's a little bit of a new vision
Mhm.
at Held. And so tell us, give the Restore world a little bit what message you would like for them to have here as we close.
Well, and I think the most important thing is that, to understand that when you have a mitigation consultant come to your project, we're not enemies. You know, um, you know, I think that, the default for consultants and contractors is to be a little bit standoffish, not trusting of each other. But I think if everybody comes at it that we're all going towards the same goal, we're trying to restore this property to pre-loss, pre-loss condition. We're trying to do the right thing by the insured, right? Um, all of that is true, and that's true for both sides. And I don't even, it's really a collaboration. And the quicker that everybody can get on the same page, the better off everybody is going to be, right? We all don't have to agree, but if we can all just get on the same page, then I think that everybody comes out a winner.
Mhm.
And it's up to both sides to do that, right? So I can't come onto your project site and make you look bad, or like, all I'm trying to do is understand the process by which you are doing what you're doing, why you're doing it that way. Are you supporting it? Um, but it all boils down to doing the right thing, right? And whether or not you're doing the right thing. And it's easy for everybody else to tell if you're doing the right thing, because everybody has that detector right down there in their gut of whether or not something is correct. Um, but you know, stay calm, stay cool, collected, we'll get through it. And um let's just try and understand both sides a little bit, right? Because it doesn't do me any good to put out, I once had someone ask me, why are you trying to put me out of business? And no, that's not the goal here.
Yep.
Um, so I think that that's really important, is to understand that, everybody has a job to do. And if we can get on the same page, then it makes everybody that much more effective.
Yep.